Is it compulsory to forgive others? The answer is no, it's not compulsory. If you want to hold it, hold it. But I want to teach you something today. Sometimes when you hold something and you say, I will deal with this man on the day of judgment, people have a right to say that. But sometimes when you say that, you might come on the day of judgment and a few scenarios could take place. Firstly, you might find out on that day that that person was not actually wrong. When justice comes, there's a chance maybe something happened behind the scenes that you did not know. And so you're not aware. I'd rather just let go, it's okay. Or you might find you were right, you got the justice, but you were caught because of other things that you did against Allah that He is now holding against you. Subhanallah. Had you released, Allah says, we will release. Forgive. Don't you want